Hello everyone, my name is Adam and I'm currently at the Volferda factory. Behind me is Volferda's latest capsule house, the E8, measuring 11.5 meters in length, 3.2 meters in width, and 3.2 meters in height. Let's take a look together. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout. First, let's check out the secondary bedroom on the left. It's a small room, about 10 square meters. You can fit a bed here or place a sofa and table, making it suitable as either a small bedroom or a mini living room. The room is also equipped with electric curtains, so no need to worry about privacy. It's easily controlled with a remote, making it convenient and hassle-free. There's a small window in the room, complete with a mosquito screen. The window is retractable. Above, we have the central air conditioning unit, and below is the smart control panel for centralized control of various functions. Moving over to the entryway, we have a storage area and the main control panel for the house's systems. Below is the shoe cabinet, and above is the storage cabinet, where you'll find the electrical box. Next is the bathroom. On the right side, you'll find the sink and toilet. There will be a mirror here later. Below the sink is storage space for toiletries and other essentials. The toilet also comes with a bidet spray, making cleaning around the area easy and convenient. On the left side, we have a shower with a glass sliding door separating the wet and dry areas. Inside, you'll find a 3-in-1 shower system, which allows for both hot and cold water adjustment. The shower floor is made of integrated non-slip material, and the drainage system has been properly treated to ensure smooth water flow. Now let's move on to the main bedroom. The master bedroom has a spacious area that you can design and utilize as you like. This particular model comes with a central kitchen and bar counter combo. There's a sink and induction cooktop to meet your cooking needs, with a range hood above to filter out cooking fumes. There are storage cabinets both above and below for storing food and kitchen supplies, very convenient. Behind here is the bar counter and dining table, where you can enjoy meals, have coffee, or chat with friends. There's also custom-built storage space underneath, providing plenty of room for organizing your belongings. The main living area can easily fit a double bed, and there's still space in front for a sofa and table. It's incredibly spacious. Now, take a look at the ceiling design. The recessed ceiling with hidden lighting provides soft and comfortable illumination. The materials used are high-quality decorative panels, giving the entire space a luxurious and upscale feel. In the center of the ceiling, there's a skylight, and it comes with an electric sunshade. At night, you can open it up and enjoy stargazing from the comfort of your bed. Next to it is the central air conditioning vent. That's the introduction to the Volferda E8 to 11.5 meters model without a balcony.